Whether for maintenance or otherwise, it is important to know how and where to find information regarding your Montigo fireplace. The key to identifying a Montigo fireplace is finding the rating plate. It should look something like this. Up here at the top is the model number, and just below that is the serial number. To the right here is clearance dimensions. Just below the serial number is testing and certification data. And below that, a table including input and output ratings, and to the left of that here, the natural gas or propane designation of the fireplace. And now it's time to take a look around the shop and see where the rating plate can be found on all of the models offered here at Montigo. This is what a Montigo product looks like before shipping off. Model number and serial number are both indicated on the label as shown. Here's a Montigo fireplace out of the box, ready to be installed. On our Illume fireplace inserts, the rating plate is easily accessible as shown here. It should be attached to a cable on the left bottom hand side, underneath the screen. If necessary, the screen and door assembly can be removed prior to fetching the rating plate. For our distinction line of fireplaces, the rating plate is available both on the outside left-hand side of the unit, as well as inside the unit in the bottom right-hand corner. First, carefully remove the screen from the fireplace. As you can see here, once the two metal plates are removed, the rating plate will be accessible under the right-hand corner inside the fireplace. Take care, as it might take some searching. Our Delray line of fireplaces have similar rating plate placement as the distinction, with one rating plate on the left-hand side and the other rating plate, accessible when installed, is in the bottom right-hand corner inside the fireplace. And make sure to take care in removing the bottom plate as shown here. Our Phenom line of fireplaces have their rating plates located in the bottom left corner, underneath a metal plate, inside the fireplace. As shown here, simply remove the metal plate and the rating plate will be easily accessible. Our Divine or H-Series fireplaces have similar rating plate accessibility as our Phenom line. The only difference being it may be found on the right-hand side instead of the left. Once again, simply remove the front metal plate and the rating plate will be easily accessible. The same method can be used to find the rating plate on any of our H-Series outdoor fireplaces. Once the screen door and metal plate are removed, the rating plate will be easily accessible on the right-hand side. Our Mahana series outdoor fireplaces require a little more work than the rest. To access the rating plate, take out the front bracket screws as shown, then remove the bracket. Then, remove the two innermost screws that connect the door. Note, please make sure to hold on to these screws as they are stainless and may fall into the bottom. Once this is done, pull the door out from the bottom and push up. The door will release and the rating plate will be accessible. For our custom models, the Prodigy series and the Seaview series, the rating plate will always be on the inside of a control box, as shown here.